Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the palindrome number program in Python. About palindrome number. A palindrome number is a number that remains same when its digits are reversed. For example, if we take 1 to 1, when it reverses, it remains 1. For this, we use simple iterative solution. Let's implement the logic in Python language. Let's take integer variable. For example, number equal to 1 to 1 as we discussed earlier. Assign this to temporary variable. If we take one temporary variable, we will assign number value to it. And let's take variable reverse, assign the value 0 to it. If we take variable reverse, we will assign value 0 to it. Run a while loop with condition as temporary number greater than 0. We will run a while loop with condition as temporary number greater than 0. We will take one while loop, temporary variable that is greater than 0. By using modulus operator, we extract the large digit from the number. You take one remainder. We need a remainder. Temp value. You will extract last digit from the number. Here we are using modulus operator while it gives the remainder. Now using the formula reverse, we use reverse formula. Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. What remainder we will get here? We add that remainder to this formula. Now we will take one, we will keep tag updating the reverse variable. Using the dividend operator, we will shorten the number. We will use one temporary variable. So temp, we are using float division here for shortening number. So what float division will do is, it allows us to divide two numbers and round down the resultant value to a nearest integer, and it will be assigning to the temp variable while keep looping while loop. So now we check if the reversed number matched the original number. If number equal to reverse, print palindrome else print not a palindrome. Now let's debug and run the program. While we keep the breaking point here, let's run and debug the program. Now we have debug. Now we are debugging running the program. We have breakpoint from up where loop. Now we have number equal to 1 to 1, reverse value equal to 0, temporary variable equal to 1 to 1, as we assign this number to temporary variable. Now we will step over it. We have remainder formula equal to temporary variable modulus 10, at it will give remainder. Now we will see we have remainder 1. Now we are adding this remainder to reverse formula. We have remainder 1, we have reverse variable and its value 0. 0 into 10, 0 plus remainder plus 1, we will get 1 for this reverse variable. We have reverse value 1. Now we have temporary variable and its value is 1 to 1. Now it's going to be float division by 10. Now we will get 10, 12. Here we get temp value 12. While 12 greater than 0, yes, it will go on the another loop. While remainder, we will get the remainder as 2, and we will be adding this remainder to this. Now we have reverse value 1. 1 into 10, we get 10, plus we are adding this remainder as 2. We will get 12. Now we are floor divided by 10. Now temp value is 12. We have floor division by 10. We get 1. Now 1 greater than 0. Now it will go another loop, same before. We will get S value as 1 to 1. Now it will check if number equal to reverse. See, we have number 1 to 1. It is equal to reverse. Reverse also 1 to 1. We get the resultant value as 1 to 1. Then it will print palindrome. Else print not a palindrome. It will come out of the loop because temp equal to 0 here. 0 is not greater than 0. It will be equal to. So it will print palindrome number because number is equal to reverse number. We have palindrome here. It prints palindrome. Thank you everyone for watching this video.